Hello, today's the 1st of October 2025. I believe that um, this post is very important. Um, it, I hope that it will set the tone for the conversations that need to happen. So I'm going live for Facebook and that um, going live for Facebook and hopefully some um, by advancing or by putting up advanced content, um, some what hassles can be avoided. So I'm going live. And so I'm going live on my um, Facebook account, which fortunately, hi there. Today is the first of, I have to speak louder, I believe, because my webcam doesn't have a strong microphone. So hello there. Today is the 1st of October 2025. So how was the past months for me and for the rest of you? I am truly gratified to receive what? Too low. The current frame rate is too low. Please, what? Our reviews makes. Okay, action needed. Anyway, too low FPS. I'm going to fix it later. I, the volume of the camera and there's some technical problem with my camera. I just went. I'm just going on my stream today. Um, Maybe it will be highlighted. And if it happens, I hope to be ready for it. Transitioning from being a brand endorser, my YouTube um, videos, how to, we were not using the word influencer back then, but the brands that I had partnered with, I truly believe that I was able to help out in spreading the good word. So they are basically for, at that time, for women who wanted to achieve the best look and to economize, like me, with scant resources. you know I cannot be extravagant in my expenses, but I don't want to be too you know to look less polished if I can help it. So now it has come to my aid, the experience that I had, but it comes at a cost. When it was time for me to have a more serious work with a different way of doing things, like technical work, not cosmetics, not makeup, obviously. It was hard to be taken seriously if for the first time that they've seen me was during those times that I was endorsing cosmetics and makeup, although I was good at it, and it's now handy in preparation for how I would like to look in person with the different parties, how I would explain myself, um, how I believe that I have a grievance and I have to be the one to present it, to personify myself. And I don't want to send mixed messages wherein um, I would have to deny that it was I who had been on the videos on makeup tutorials, cosmetics, skincare, hair care. How could I be sharing tips on hair care when I was said to be balding, when I was losing my hair, right? So during those times, my journey also helped other people. I, I I could have said women, but that would be too sexist now. In the age that we are in, and it speaks of the years that had gone by for me. So I truly believe that those, to prolong the quality, how we can enjoy, like lessen the time needed to prepare. Um, if your work is on camera, or if your work is to speak to other people about anything, the message is important, but so is the messenger, and our person is supposed to be the vehicle, the messenger. So um, for me, the early part of 2025 was in preparation for this moment. So they were not spent idle. They were not spent just mooning around and um, not being active and productive. Hopefully, I can itemize the reason behind the confidence that I have. It's not smugness and it's not swagger. A lot is at stake. Three kids, at the very least, here in the Philippines, they are actually depending on their ascendants, their mother, their father, their grandfather, when it comes grandmother, when it comes to the future that they're going to have. Are they going to go through the things that I went through? Because my name is Clariza talaga Garcia, and that the chosen path that I take um, had, I would say, had been um, had a disastrous effect, for lack of a better term that I can think of right now, for others. Like, what if any of them would want to follow along, like, would want to have a job uh, that would be in need of public support, public patronage? Will they also suffer the same hardship that had I had gone through the moment that I have stepped into the public scrutiny? I had to dedicate very important years to consolidate my um, my legitimacy and the claims that I had. So, and it was against all odds. That's all I can say for now. And the moment that we are in the more formal dialogue, I hope that I can be allowed to summarize each proceeding through the stream, because it's for public interest. It doesn't just affect me, but it's also, you know, the the rest of the family. That's why for every item or commodity that was purchased, because they believe that the person had who had endorsed it, who had sung it, the artist behind the song, that it is a real person, not just an AI, or not just a product of fraud or of deceit, something like that, or that it was intentionally produced, to overshadow anyone so that others will not shine their own light. It's We're actually looking for the best solution for this. So for now, attending dialogues, attending talks, and presenting myself um, as my own spokesperson. That is the for day one for me. for October 1st, 2025. So I hope to share some milestones and important updates for you guys. And thank you so much for sticking by. And hopefully things will turn out for the better. So that's it for now. Bye.